Let's make one thing very clear. If you use Claude.md to manage your project using Claude Code and you add things into it like do not access this, do not push to prod, do not drop my database, please understand that that is a suggestion. That is not where permissions go. Claude.md is a file that is read on every initialization of the project by your REPL, and from that point on, it is not accessed again unless you explicitly tell the model to do so. And so if the only place in which it is told that guardrails exist is that file, those are going to fade away from its context, from its memory. It's going to start executing on those things you explicitly told it not to do. So the thing to do is twofold, right? One is run your Claude code inside of a virtual container or VM or Docker, which you can also escape. That's for another day. With certain permissions and certain access either revoked or just not possible at all based on the identity of the account pushing or doing any kind of manipulation to the code base or production deployment in the outside that machine. So if you use Claude.md, just remember that is a text file. You know, the model will read it once and that's that. So if, you can tell a junior dev not to do something 1,000 times, 1,000 the first time, they're going to do it. You're going to have to sit them down. They're going to have to learn. This thing, it doesn't learn like that, right? So you have to work with it and with its strengths and weaknesses. Big weakness here being lack of persistent memory and also lack of any kind of actual enforcement that comes out of giving something in an input, because that is just text. And if the model has the capabilities to do something, down the road, it may weigh its need to achieve a goal over the suggestions about what to do or not to do that were given to it previously. So please use identity, use virtualization, remove any kind of access to production from the system that you're running Claude Code on, and be clever, okay? If you're not clever, the little tiny bit of cleverness that LLMs possess is definitely going to be used against you. So with that in mind, be safe, generate code responsibly, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.